Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. I am back with another video tutorial for my Python's project playlist. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to create a heart with turtle. We'll see the implementation in Python. Before we move forward, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Well, subscribe it so you never miss an update. Let's look at today's agenda. I will cover Turtle basics and we will use it to create a heart in Python. What is Turtle? Turtle is a pre-installed Python library. It enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that we use for drawing is called as Turtle. The turtle has three attributes: a location, an orientation or direction, and a pen. You can move the turtle head in four possible directions: forward, backward, left, and right. The documentation provides an overview of all available turtle and screen methods. If you wish to know more about it, you can refer to the turtle documentation. I'll attach the link in the description box below. You can also refer to its Wikipedia page. It has some awesome turtle graphics in it. Now that you have an overview of Turtle, we can move forward to the coding section. It's time to code. You can find all the code at my YouTube project's GitHub repository. I'll attach the link in the description box below. So let's head over to the VS Code editor. So I'm inside my VS Code editor. In order to access the Python library, you need to import it in your Python environment. So we'll use the import command to import the Python turtle in our script. Let's start by creating a new Python file. I'll name it as heart. Import turtle. Now let's define some properties. Turtle.speed 3, turtle.background color, I'm giving it as black, turtle.pen size. Now let's define a function. I'll define a loop here for the first curve. For I in range, let's give 200. Turtle.write 1, turtle.forward. Okay, so now let's understand. We set the speed as 3 here using the speed methods. That means the heart will not just appear on the screen. We'll see some drawing and animation. We can adjust or change the background color using BG color method. I have commented it out. The default background color is always white. You can adjust the pen size using pen size method. I'll run it and show you, and then we'll walk through over the code. So if you observe, our screen disappears as soon as the drawing is complete. So let's use the done method to hold the screen. Let's save it and run it again. So using the done method, we can hold the output screen. So let's try altering the thickness here. Let's give it. So if you observe, our background color has changed to black and the thickness has also increased. So you can play around with these properties and adjust according to your need. What happens when I do not specify the pen size? Let's comment it out and I'm running it again. This is the default thickness if we do not specify any pen size. Let's restore it to the original one. Let's give it 3 and let's comment out the background color. Let's make it black. Okay, so here the first parameter is the border color as you observed. It's the pen color and we are passing the black here. The second parameter here is used to fill our drawing. I want my heart to be red in color, so I'm passing red here. Once we have specified the color, we can begin the fill using begin fill method. Now if you observed, our pen was pointing to downwards direction. We need to change the direction of our pen. See here. So let's do that. So the pen's direction has changed by 120. And now we can call our function to complete the second curve of our heart. In order to complete our heart, we wanted to touch the starting point. So we'll make use of forward method here. Turtle.forward. Our heart is now complete. Let's fill in some color. So for that we'll specify end fill method here. And here's our heart. If you closely observe, you can see the turtle head pointing at the starting point. In order to hide the head, we'll use hide turtle method. And our heart is ready. If you wish to change the heart color, you can simply make change here. Like if you wish to give it pink, let's make it. This is all about creating a heart with turtle. It's simple, isn't it? Hope this tutorial has helped you. You can find all the code at my YouTube projects GitHub repository and you can also follow along my blog for a step-by-step guide. I'll attach the link in the description box below. If you're looking for Python resources like books, newsletters, podcasts, etc., you can refer to the Ultimate Python Resource Hub repository. Drop a star if you find it useful. I would recommend you to join my Telegram channel and Discord server for regular update. You can also connect with me on Twitter, LinkedIn and other social platforms. Link is available in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I will be back with more such videos. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.